Okay, let's start our class today. Today I want to take a easy class, tea time class. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I just hope I don't get sick.
Oh.
But
Were you already getting sick?
I hope not.
No, okay.
But I do feel a little bit scratchy on my throat.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
No.
You won't get sick.
We can treat her, use our technique. Yeah.
A lot of people getting sick. Yeah,
Weather
so
changed
bad.
too much. The temperature. Yesterday 80.
Yeah,
And today is 60.
cold. So I thought maybe because of the weather.
Yeah. I think Thursday was it? It was hotter.
Yeah,
Even at nighttime.
not helping. So did you do this kind of tea before? Before you came here?
No.
Okay. So what do you guys call this?
I don't know. I don't think I've had it before. Here with the doctor, yes. I think it's the same one.
Okay,
Okay.
any question from now? Hello, Vanessa. Yeah, you can grab a seat. You grab a seat. Yeah. So we had we just had a conversation of what? Let's just continue our conversation. I forgot what we talking about.
Conversation was about.
You may speak louder. Yeah.
Okay, our conversation was about how to treat the facial
Oh yeah, I got you.
diagram
Okay.
in
Oh.
treating the body.
Oh yeah. Earlier, Malcolm, we talk about why we learn this face treatment if we are trying to help people with a marked substrate, because we need to select points. Without know-how, we don't know where to treat. So we want to focus all the information as small as in one simple area, which is the face. Then use the face diagram apply to the whole body. So you don't have to learn meridians, very complicated. But you learn the face diagram, it's the same like a Chinese meridian. The difference is different view. With this face, we are actually learn from image and reflexology. That's the one layer of the view. But with the Chinese meridian system, we learn from the line, the other view. Yeah, the other view. But these two views are the same thing. It's just a different angle to look at. Let's say if we look at the yin-yang symbol, it's a round, right? Then there's the S shape that separate the white part and the dark part. There's a one white part in the dark part in the white, right? That is actually a bird's view of the twisted energy spiral. You cut it here, you look at it from here. Right? So if we look at waves, like radial wave, it is this, like a DNA, you look at the sideways, right? And also, when we look at the meridians in the body on the charts, we actually look at the two dimension, 2D. But all the energies goes in the meridians is twisted. Like let's say this is the blood vessel, right? This is the blood vessel. So the water goes like this. The blood goes like this. But if we look at the 2D, it feels like the water goes like this. So the qi in our body goes like this too. Too. Like a DNA. So everything is going like a DNA. Even the smoke. If you look at the YouTube, they have a smoke show. There's some young people use the smoke viper. They do the smoke. You look at whatever the smoke they come out, the smoke rings, smoke things, it's all twisted. It's all spiral. You know, it never come out like a flat.
Tornadoes.
Tornadoes, yeah, tornadoes, everything like that. It's just a tornado in different shape, right? So that's how meridian is. That's how Mach Sebastian, the heat is. That's how the smoke is. That's how our intention is. Yeah. So we learn from the diagram, from the face. We imply the face's knowledge to the body. Then we can help us diagnosis and treat where to treat the location. That's why we learn that. Of course, we can practice facial reflexology massage only, like the points, you know, acupuncture only. If you combine with Mach Sebastian, the result will be double, more than double. That's why we learn facial reflexology. Of course, it is necessary or good to learn meridian system because you have a different view to look at. But at least we have an easy way to start with. Yeah, and this reflex system is implied all the knowledge of the whole universe. Yeah, that's the reason we study that things. Any questions?
So, for example, if somebody's having trouble with their liver, and I find the liver on the face diagram, sometimes I get confused on what kind of tapping motion, either with something to tap at it or pick at it, or can I do hand motions rather than a tool?
This is a very, very good question. When we will learn, we want to know the answer. So the answer will be the start with the simplest. I will tell you just tapping it. But when you're in your real practice, you can tap it. You can like rub it, like this kind of like rubbing it. You can make a spiral, like a twisted. You know, you can choose. You can select dots as area. You know, so it's a flexible you practice. But with my learning, I will start with choose one dot. You know, like a tapping on it for about 20, 30 times. You count it, boom, 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 right?
The same spot.
Yeah, same spot. Then you select different points, you know, as a formula. Then you imply the formula into the area. Then you warm up, repeat the process with Mach Sebastian, warm it, you know. So if you don't have Mach Sebastian in your hand, you can use your palm heat, right? You can use your blow, you know. Your blow is energy too, you know. So think about it. If your blow is your energy, that requires what? That requires you have intention and you have good health. Because everything is a small size of you, mini size of you. It's like a shade of you. For example, if I take one of your cells has all the information of you. If you put a hand on the book, you take away your hand, the book has your information. Nowadays we call the DNA check, whatever, but the dog can sense what you touched. So we will think the dog smells you, but what the dog see, only the dog know. The dog is not only smell, the dog uses sense. So all he can see, the spectrum, the lights that you being touched. So you have your aura, the dog see what's the aura you rest on the book, left on the book, right? So it's all could be possible. So when you see patients, when you project out your energies, it's like millions of you, boom, 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 layer of layer, boom, 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 boom of you going out. So your energy is going to affect the patient. And the energy always from high to low. So if you are lower than your patient's energy, you can treat them.